So the problem says that the tennis ball is stuck horizontally at 5 meter per second velocity. So that's 5 meter per second, and when it reaches the net, so net is somewhere here, let's say, it has fallen 30 centimeter, a little bit. So that much it has fallen, which is just 30 centimeter. We need to find how far the net is. That means this distance, let's say x. Now it has been thrown horizontally, it has been hit horizontally, so the ball has been hit horizontally, so it will fall because of gravitational acceleration only, because of gravitational pull. So it has fallen, we can write half gt square. There is no vertical component of velocity, so that's the initial vertical component of the velocity is 0, so we can ignore the ut plus ut part, which is the first part. So it will be just h is equal to half gt square. So h is 30 centimeter, that is 0.3 meter, and half g is 9.8 t square. So if we solve for t, we get 0.247 seconds, I guess. Yes, and then we need to find how far the net is. That means how long does it take for it to travel. No, we know how long it takes. So with that time, how far it will travel with that initial velocity, for the meter per second. So that will be x is equal to ut. This u is the initial velocity. It usually will be just the horizontal component if the velocity had as a vertical component as well, but this has been thrown horizontally, so it has only horizontal component. That's the velocity basically. U cos alpha, which would be the horizontal component, but alpha is 0, so u is u basically. U cos alpha is u basically. So anyway, this will be 5 times 0.247, which is 1.24 meter. That's the distance. So the net is that far from the point from where the ball was stuck basically.